Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's 22nd of April 2020. We're doing a quick review of the futures market at the beginning. Basically, we've been holding the red channel for quite a while, and once it got broken yesterday, we touched the 2720 area, and currently we're trying to get a bounce, maybe a back test of that breakout. As well, we're in the blue area of the channel, and at the resistance that might probably trigger a resistance short. So the question is, will we continue to the upside, or this will be the back test and the continuation to the downside, like the bears are just waiting for it. Let's take a look at the indices. So basically SPX has opened right at the bottom of the green channel. Yesterday went down. Currently we might open on the SPY somewhere near 2760s, 2780s. If we get back and hold, we can still try and push to 2900 and try and start the second leg of the downside from there. If we hold that 28 as resistance, or even we can close the gap to 2820s and then push lower. That is also an option. It's Wednesday, so we don't expect a lot happening today, except some gap trades that I'll be showing in a minute. Yesterday, it's important to mention the Nasdaq. That's in the perfect channel zone. We tapped that 50 SMA. We didn't close the gap yet. We'll see. Maybe we try and do it today if we continue lower. So far 250 holds, and we have that channel bottom. So keep an eye on it. IWM a bit of a larger range, a bit weaker than the other indices, and Dow Jones basically in my open near the high of yesterday. In this case we have that capitulation gap, and some buyers might step in. 236, 237 will be a big resistance zone for Dow Jones. So let's take a look at a few stocks. Let's discuss yesterday trades. Basically, Tesla, as expected, was rolling down. We've been talking about this short for a couple of days from now. Hope you covered some, because next targets are 650, 660s, but if you have to take some off. Next, Facebook was a nice gap and go, but currently it just gapped over and it's trading around 177. You can get out if you didn't manage to take some profits yesterday. And a great short was on Shop, when we had the resistance area, and it just had a morning. It had been trading morning in a range, and then it just started falling. The move was actually almost $100 from top to down. So this was one of the best trades that could happen. Excuse me. So a few words about the gappers, about the setups we're watching. So the Python is relatively stronger. We'll see if we get a setup today. Work is something we're monitoring, because we have like 250 descending lines, support, fibs, everything is colliding somewhere in the 25-50-26 zone. So if we get a nice reaction today in this area, could be a nice pullback long. And CMG might be an interesting Might be an interesting short because it reported earnings. It's gapping right into resistance, it's closing the gap resistance from the top line. Also, you can notice the ascending wedge that actually is bearish, and we'll see how it opens. Basically, the gapper reactions need around 2 to 3 minutes to react in the morning. Maybe try an opening range setup or some kind of other setup. What else? Snap gapping into 200 and that resistance zone as well. Pins and PDD is gapping over the double top formation, so I'll be watching it for a potential long if we do see volume coming in. So this is it for today, and I wish you a great trading session. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in our chat room, and subscribe to our channel, give us a like or dislike, whatever you want. Have a nice day.